Hi, everyone. My name is Joe, and this is Tiffany with Condition Play Innovations. And today we're showing you the Telehealth Audio Interface. The Telehealth Audio Interface is a passive filtering system that addresses an impedance mismatch and a 60-cycle hum that can occur from plugging in two power devices, such as a PC-based audiometer and a computer. So what we're going to do is demonstrate some of its features and to show you how they function. Tiffany, can you hear me all right?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
So what you're hearing right now is the counseling mode on the Telehealth Audio Interface V3. This is basically using a soundbar and microphone for natural two-way conversations. This is ideal for case history and post-test discussions. While we're talking, I'm connected remotely to the clinic computer through remote desktop. So Tiffany is in the clinic, and I am in a remote location acting as a remote audiologist. And so I'm able to control the computer or the PC-based audiometer, such as the Affinity Compact, and Tiffany is at its clinic site itself. All right, Tiffany, we're going to begin testing. I'm going to have you flip the switch on your left there on the Telehealth Audio Interface from counseling to testing mode, okay? And at the same time, you're going to put on some headphones over your ears.
Okay, I'll do that now.
This step can also be done by an audiology assistant or a hearing care technician that is on site at the clinic. Once that flip is switched, the system reroutes the audio from the soundbar and microphone to the audiometer connections. And so it's fully isolating those signals from the 60-cycle hum and the impedance mismatch that happens between those two powered devices. So from this point on, she cannot hear me unless I'm using the audiometer's talk forward function. So let me just demonstrate that right now. Okay, Tiffany, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you clearly through the headphones.
Okay, so Tiffany can hear me through the headphones, and basically I'm going to be able to have full control of the audiometer. We're going to demonstrate a couple of things. So we've got talk forward, talk back, and monitor, and we'll just demonstrate those things as we go along. So with those three key audio routing systems, let's talk with the monitor mode. So I'm going to play a few tones. Tiffany, I'm going to have you grab that response button that's to your left there, and you'll just push that whenever you hear a beeping sound, even if it's very soft, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
So I'm just going to play it so she can hear that there. We'll just show you a couple different frequencies. So you can see that she's hearing that and able to monitor the beeps through the telehealth audio interface, and she's able to hear that also through the audiometer. Okay, the next part is we can demonstrate talkback mode, is basically just being able to hear the patient talking back to us as the audiologist. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on talk forward, but you'll be hearing her through the talkback function. Okay, Tiffany, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
All right. So right now she can hear me because I'm doing talk forward, but I can as well hear her through the talkback function. So this is using the talkback microphone on the audiometer. I'm also going to play some recorded speech materials, Tiffany. You'll hear a few words, just repeat them back, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll navigate to the speech materials, and just for example here.
Playground.
Playground.
Okay.
Daybreak.
Daybreak.
Northwest.
Northwest.
Okay, so with that, I can hear monitor. Basically, I'm monitoring or hearing the PC-based audiometer, this recorded materials, and I'm also hearing talkback by hearing Tiffany's responses. Okay, I'm going to go back to tones for a moment. Okay, just to demonstrate the talkback one more time. Tiffany, can you count to 5 for me?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so basically, again, it's very easy. It functions very natural, just like a normal PC-based audiometer. Okay. And then what we're going to do now is let's pretend we've done the testing, we've played the beeps, we've played some speech materials, and we're going to go back to go over the results. So I'm going to have Tiffany, in just a moment, I'm going to have you basically take the headphones off and switch back to telehealth counseling mode. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Tiffany, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you perfectly.
Okay, now we're back in telehealth counseling mode, which is normal two-way communication through the sound bar and microphone. It's all using the same interface. So it's really simple. It's just one single switch and everything works seamlessly. And so with the telehealth audio interface, it provides reliable, hum-free audio, full two-way communication for every phase of telehealth testing. To learn more, visit our website, www.conditionedplayinnovations.com.